Forrest County man has concerns about the location of a cough and fever clinic set up by Forrest General Hospital. He wants to know why it's right next door to where his wife goes for dialysis. The hospital says it's complying with all CDC and state guidelines. 12 News' Jesse Finver has the story.
Monroe Cochran is at odds with the Hattiesburg Clinic and Forrest General Hospital. He's concerned about the proximity of his wife's dialysis center to a cough and fever clinic and a curbside testing center for COVID-19.
When I drove up here the first day and found out that they're testing right here at the same entrance that I'm taking my wife in, and other people are being delivered by different ambulances and stuff.
The Hattiesburg Clinic said in a statement that their team of professionals vetted the location and that a shared parking lot is not a violation of the guidelines. Patients are entering the cough and fever clinic through a doorway that extends beyond the 6 feet social distancing guidelines. However, Cochran says he's still concerned for his wife's safety.
I was concerned about the location of where they're putting people that are coming, definitely because they think they have symptoms of COVID-19 or they wouldn't be here. And at the time, we've had people actually walk in the dialysis unit looking for that clinic.
I went by the clinic, and there are signs in the door telling people that the dialysis unit is not the cough and fever clinic. Cochran says his biggest concern right now is the location of the clinics and testing site, which the clinic says they follow CDC and state guidelines for.
Relocate what they're doing here. If they're going to test at this unit, we have a back door that's within 25 or 30 foot of our back door. People are coming out of that clinic that have been working with people and testing people all day. They could be exposed, could have it. If they would relocate it so that they enter and leave on the other end of the building where they started out, then I don't think we'd have an issue.
As of right now, the Hattiesburg Clinic and Forrest General Hospital have not indicated any logistical changes will be made to this site. The clinic says the curbside testing was designed as one of the safer ways to test patients as they remain in their cars the whole time. In Hattiesburg, Jesse Finver, 12 News.